Hello students, welcome to our science class. Today we are going to solve the further exercise of lesson number 2, human body. This is our third part of the exercise. Okay, so let's begin. Yesterday in last class we have solved till question number 6b. So let's discuss question number 6c. Before moving towards the questions, I will like to instruct you, okay, that you are supposed to leave line after each question answer. Your handwriting should be neat and clean. Maintain your notebook properly. Here is our question 6c. How does the body get rid of waste materials? Children, to get rid of waste materials, which system is helpful for our body? It is a excretory system, and we are having various organs to get rid of waste materials from our body. Let's revise a bit. Children, when we have learned about the excretory system, we have learned that this system helps to remove waste materials from the body, and a pair of kidneys help to get rid from the waste. Now, pair of kidneys, they remove waste from our body in the form of urine. They filter our blood. Along with pair of kidneys, lungs also help to remove waste, that is the carbon dioxide. Lungs take in oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide from our body, which is a kind of waste. Our skin is also a kind of excretory organ. It removes waste in the form of sweat. Okay, so all this knowledge we are going to combine together to write the answer 6c. So here is our answer 6c. The excretory system helps our body to get rid of waste like carbon dioxide, urine and sweat. First, lungs help us to get rid of carbon dioxide. Second point, pair of kidneys help us to remove waste from our body in the form of urine. Third point, our skin remove waste from our body in the form of sweat. So all these 3 points we will write in the question 6c. Okay, let's move to our next question, that is question 6d. Question 6d is, name the organs of the nervous system and explain how they work together. Children, we have learned about nervous system. Okay, we have seen what are the various organs of nervous system and how they work together. Before writing the answer of this particular question, let's brush up our knowledge. Children, we have seen that nervous system is consist of the organs like brain, spinal cord and nerves. Brain is a control center. It controls all the other systems and the organs. Brain send and receive messages through nerves, and spinal cord help to connect nerves with that of brain. Okay, so all this we are going to combine together to write answer of question number 6D. Children, we have also seen that whenever anything happen, any injury caused, our nerves carries the messages to our brain through the spinal cord. Then brain message back through our nerves to our body part that it gets hurt or it is paining, right? So this is how our nervous system work, by sending messages to and from brain to the body parts through the nerves. So here is our answer 6D. Brain, spinal cord and nerves together form the nervous system. The nervous system guides us in all our actions like running, laughing and jumping. Now how they work together? These organs, nerves carry messages to and from the brain and the parts of the body. The spinal cord connects the nerves to the brain. This is our answer 6D. Here we have written the organs of nervous system as well as how they work together. Let's move to our further question. Our next question is question number 7. Think and answer. And the bracket HOTS. Do you remember last time I explained you the meaning of HOTS? It is a higher order thinking skill. H for higher, O order, T thinking, S skill. So higher order thinking skill questions are called as HOTS questions. Here you have to apply the knowledge, whatever you have learned from that particular lesson or the topic. The first question is 7A. Which is the most important organ in our body and why? Children, which is that particular organ which control all the body parts, and it also control your all the systems. So which is that particular body part? Which is that particular organ? It is nothing but our brain. Brain controls all the organ systems present in our body. Okay, and it is called as master of our body. So, which is the most important organ in our body and why? And the answer is the brain, because it controls all the organ systems. Control and coordination is done by the brain. It is a master of our body. Next question is 7b. Which body systems are involved when we eat? Children, when we eat, what are the various actions we are doing? First, we look at the food served to us or which is there in front of us. Next, we hold that food in our hand. Then, what we are doing next? We are putting it in our mouth and start chewing, right? And then we swallow it. So when we do all these actions, there are various body systems help us to do so. When we look at the food items, our eyes help us to see the food items given or served in the plate or present in front of us. Then we hold that food in our hand. Here, the bones present in our fingers and the joints present over there help us to hold our food. Now, to move the joints, our muscles help our bones, because we know that muscles help in the movement of our body parts. Then, as we put food in our mouth, we start chewing. That time our digestive system help us to digest that food. Now, when we are doing all these activities, we should not forget that our nervous system controls all these activities. Okay, so what are the various systems are involved here? About which different systems we have discussed now? We have discussed about the skeletal system, muscular system, nervous system and digestive systems. So all these systems are involved when we eat. Let's see. Let's summarize all our discussion for writing our next answer. Question was, which body systems are involved when we eat? And answer is the skeletal, muscular nervous and digestive systems are involved when we eat. Children, that's it for today. In the next lesson, we will discuss the further question answers. Till then, take care. Goodbye.